We are Baby Food Factory. We produce healthy and nutritious food which helps families improve their quality of life. We're applying state-of-the-art technology and equipment, along with latest industry standards, to process raw materials of highest quality, coming only from certified suppliers. We take health and safety measures seriously. All of our 5 production lines are equipped with clean room panels, a high-end precaution process used only in medical or pharmaceutical industries. We're consistently developing new products, improving our packaging towards more functional and user-friendly solutions. NUTRINO is our high-quality, fast-growing baby food brand, providing mothers around the world with a healthy nutrition choice for their babies. NUTRINO LAB products are a healthy snack, convenient takeaway solution for active, contemporary people in search of refreshment, which is nutritionally balanced. With NUTRINO Organic range soon to come, we keep up the needs of our consumers for innovative recipes to complement baby's healthy diet. For our business partners, we're creating new, tailor-made combination of flavours to meet specific consumer needs, both as contract manufacturers and private label producers. BFF products are exported to 12 other markets in Central and Eastern Europe, Asia and Africa. In the coming years, we plan further expansion to new markets in the EU, North America, Middle East and the rest of Africa. Some of the biggest retail chains in the world recognise the potential of BFF products and continue to be our respectful partners. Of course, none of this would ever have been possible without our team of experts, united in the same goal, to contribute to the healthy growth of both present and future generations. Feel free to contact us anytime and become a part of our success story.